And there we go. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. Let's go. Is the audio good? Everything? Let's see if I can change the. Oh, oh fucking hell! Was I muted? Oh shoot! Ah, it's fine. It's fine, guys. A bit embarrassing, but it's fine. Okay, so I basically said that I got my designer to Holy fuck! I said I got my designer to make these capsule art things, and I think they turned out pretty nice. We can look at the other ones. Let's see. Before I just had the some like fucking shit, some AI slop fucking things while I was waiting for him to be finished. I'm really happy to have removed that now. I use Fiverr. I actually had a great experience using Fiverr. Yeah. Um, it's like here, I think, and then it's here. Update or view. Yeah, it's like here. Yeah. So this is the header capsule, small capsule, main capsule, vertical capsule, the background of the page. Is there even a background? No, I don't think there's a background on this. That's weird. I did upload it though. Oh, maybe it's like extremely subtle. It's like really. Oh yeah, I see some things here, but oh yeah, here as well. It's really. Oh, not sure. Oh yeah, it's also the color because the color is like this kind of the same blue as the on Steam. So yeah. Yeah, the screenshots just like some ones I took really quick. Library capsule, nice. Library header, library hero, and the logo. I'm really proud with the logo. I think, or not proud, I didn't make it, but I'm really happy with the logo. So that's good. Um, okay, let's start with the actual level here. So what I was doing is that I was making this level. I'm pretty sure it's this one. No, it's 1F. There we go. This one, no. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay. So basically, I was making this level. It's called 1F. The thing about this level is that you have this like, I need to fuck it. I always just do this in play mode. There are just some things that you always just do in play mode, and you don't bother like doing it in the scene view. But now I'm actually going to like eat the frog and just do it. Yeah. Oh, maybe there's this other setting as well that really helps. Drag? No, it's not that one. It's align rolling to motion. That one is really good because now the rolling here, I'm really happy with this. It's like it's like a rolling board. This is just like a small bird model, obviously. This the center of mass though on this is still like kind of. Oh yeah, I actually think I should have drag from touch point on, but yeah, or maybe it's a bad idea. Yeah, maybe that's actually a bad idea. I'm not sure, but yeah, the center of center of mass on this one is still kind of fucked up, but uh, I don't think I even can. No, I can't. Oh, I can. Okay. Oh, it's up again. Last stream as well. I had no idea where I would see the gizmos on the center of mass. Maybe it's just better to have it on auto. Let's see. Because now it's like rolling over all the time, and I can't have it roll over that much. But maybe I can have some like, I don't even know what the tensor is. Maybe I can have it a bit more up, like this. This is so unrealistic. What? No, this is horrible. Or is it horrible? I actually think this is it's more realistic than the previous one. Okay, but what I was going to do, now I can't drag it. No, I can't drag it. Break. Okay, I think 0.9 is game design, guys. Game design. Something AI can't do for you. You need to feel things. You need to be a human to know how a game feels. That's what I talk about on my channel. Maybe the mass is still too, because I like this. It's still too heavy. I'd say like 9 or something. Because the premise of this room is basically I've already implemented this actually. It's like, yeah, okay, nice. Thank you. Okay, you can. It's basically that you just drag this over here. Why is it not working out? What the fuck? This used to work. This actually used to work. There's just some things, they work and then they suddenly just don't work. Fuck. Sorry guys. I had to say that for because this is fucking not fun. Yo. Okay. Maybe it's on this block laser. Okay. I just turned off for some reason. Yo. Yeah, much better. And then I can just walk. And to make it taller, I guess. Tall. So this is going to be like an information board. That's like the thing about this. And you're going to like, that's very tall though. This is going to be like an information board, and the thing is that you need to it's like a good height compared to the player, right? Yeah, should be enough. What I was saying is that this is going to be an information board. I'm going to try to model something like this. I'm really new to Blender as well, so I might not go go well, but okay, fuck you. Oh, okay, it's still like at the bottom. Um, Maybe I have to make the wheels smaller. And why is the wheels like that? Their sizes they look weird from this angle. Why does this look better? Why does this look more even? I'm not like the biggest shape guy. Um, I mean, I guess, um, maybe if we make these smaller, that's going to drag it a bit down. So we can add this like right here, there, like this, like this. I was supposed to say it looks good. It doesn't really look good, but it looks like it works. I can say that. Looks like it works. Okay, so something like this. Still, yeah. And you can see the ball, the spheres there are rolling as well. Oh, I love the dragging system in this game. It's so fun. Yeah, you can see they're rolling, but they're rolling kind of curves now. Maybe I didn't make their size even or something. Are they even touching the ground? Okay, they are. Yeah, they're really like they're not perfectly squared. Oh, their scale is changed. Interesting. What if I drag it? Is their scale change while I drag it? No, just a rotation. Okay. No, okay, it's still. Oh, their scale is 0.8. Okay. Um. Yo, good morning. Lena, good morning. I'm just working, and I thought might as well just stream it. So, yeah. Maybe you can learn a few things. Okay. So let's see if this is better now. We can try and if I die now, I'm going to be so confused. What? Maybe the collide. I mean, it might be that the collider on the lasers are let's see. Box collider. Okay. Okay. So the problem is basically that there's like this big collider all over the laser, and it doesn't like change when I block the laser, so it's not registering that it's a gap. Okay, thank you. It's not registering that there's a gap. Like, yeah. You see the collider here is still going over. Or is it? Why is there a point here though? Oh, okay, it's the middle point. Okay. It's the depth. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change this real quick. So I'll just ask Codex to do this for me. Make it so the collider on the lasers are, yeah, make the collider on the laser actually on the laser lines themselves and not just a big box collider. This should also dynamically update if something is blocking the laser. There we go. Still have, oh, they're still like resetting the rate limits. That's nice. The, because this was like 80% yesterday, my rate limits on Codex. Now it's 100 again, so they're just like resetting it. So that's nice. Okay, what's a good? That's still kind of annoying though. What if I just make the collider bigger? I'm just like being a bit lazy. Oh no, I can't. It's a mesh collider. I don't need a mesh collider on this one though. Box. There we go. And I just drag it down. Oh, maybe that's going to fuck with the wheels. So we need to exclude. Wheels. Wheels. Environment. Exclude wheels. That should do it. Like this. Now they shouldn't interfere. Nope. Looks good. We can drag this. It's kind of I need to have the drag from touch point though on. The problem is that now it's just like fucking retarded. Oh shit, I forgot. How do I fix this? Need to think. Avocado toast sounds good. Yep. Have a good day. Have a good day. Um, what if I because it's so weird, and it's also annoying that I can't visually see where the center of mass is. But this doesn't do much. It's just like oh, why did the wheels fall off? Where are the wheels? Oh, they're here, but oh, I forgot to It's like what I did in this game to not make the player see their own body. I excluded this layer from the culling mask, so basically now I have to add every single layer wheels to the culling mask again, so that it can be viewed basically. Sometimes I forget. What if we just do the reverse? We say like minus, we lower it. Okay, that actually worked better. Okay, nice. But now it's very Oh, are you serious? Maybe Codex can help with this. Okay. You have access to the Unity MCP. How do I fix the information board with the wheels being very easy to tilt or to tip over while I have the drag from point enabled? I've tried experimenting with different center of mass, but it doesn't help much. The reason why having drag from point is important is to be able to rotate the board and position it the direction you want based on where you drag it from. And the side should rotate facing that side. It's always nice to give Codex your intentions, I feel, when you are programming, because it might get your intentions wrong, and in that case, it's going to fuck it up, and it's going to implement the thing that you did in like a different way. So intentions really good. So in this, for example, I wrote the reason why I want to have a drag from this point. So that's like this is the goal basically. It's a goal, and it's nice to tell Codex your goal. Right? Also, let me show you guys the homepage that I made for my game. My website. Like this. Games homepage. It's quite cool. And also, I got this like cool thing. Doesn't really make sense though, but Yup. Looks good. Yo, Scribble Halls official. Yes, I'm using Unity. I was blocking it with the website, but yeah, you can see her. Or I hope. Oh shoot. The aspect ratio is all fucked up. There we go. Okay, so that's kind of annoying, but yeah. Yeah, you can see using Unity. Just developing my game, Forbidden Buttons. Right now we're developing this level here. Oh, the player is below the ground. It's annoying. And I'm trying to make this like information board, block the laser here. But yeah, also the center of mass on this one is fucked up. That's what we're trying to fix now. It's just like that's the center of mass of like a fucking boat in water. And automatic is just even worse. Or it's not worse, but it's like it's still tilting all the time. Yep. So what we can test now is the collider. Let's see if the collider is improved. Because previously this was just like one big box collider, but then when you block the laser, obviously you can't change a box collider more than the borders, so didn't quite work as we wanted to. Let's see if that's fixed. Also we need to lower this. What? No, don't tip over. No. What? Why is it like always tilt? Maybe it's a wheel, but yeah, the wheels are kind of fucked up. I'm actually, this is my first game, if you guys didn't know. That's 3D. And I've never had to use this center of mass. I don't even think that's a thing in 2D. Or it might be, I'm not sure. I mean, it makes sense if it was a thing in 2D, but I've never had to use it. So this is basically my first time needing it. Like this center of mass things. And wheels and stuff. I've never worked with this before. So yeah. We're just learning here. Yep. In learning mode. So yeah, the goal is basically Scribble House official. The goal is basically to be able to move this with like wheels, and we got it working. Actually, the thing is that the it's like it's very easy to tilt over. I mean, yeah, that's much better. Codex completed the task, by the way. Tried to fix it. So okay. A bit hard to drag around though. Lower the mass. Okay, yeah, this is better. I just love the dragging system. It's so smooth. Okay. Yep. Looks good. You can even rotate it by like dragging the corners. Yep. And you see the wheels moving. What if I drag it in the middle? Okay. It's still kind of if the wheels are going to be that size, I'll have to check on like real wheels. Let's see. I'm going to make a model for this. This is just like a prototype version. I'm going to try using Blender. I'm really bad at Blender as well. Recently tried learning it. But I'm going to try making like some information board model in Blender. Okay, so we can search for yeah, basically a whiteboard, basically. That's a reference we can use. I mean, the wheels on the whiteboard are really small. So they could be that size. Yep. Yeah. I actually really enjoyed learning Blender. That was fun. I'm really looking forward to like getting better at Blender. I'm really looking forward to be able to like think of something, have like a reference, and then just be able to make like a cool model from that reference. I'm looking forward to that. So that's my motivation for learning Blender, and I'm enjoying it, even though it's like kind of confusing sometimes. We can make the model like in a bit, because I think this is working. Yeah, it's basically working now, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so it still feels heavier though after this change, but we can try moving it here. We can rotate it. Okay, that's kind of annoying still. But it makes sense though that I can't change when I'm standing here. That's realistic. Okay, if we do this. Oh. Oh, okay. Much better. Let's say 3. There we go. Now I should not die because the colliders here should be... What the fuck is it? Laser. Collider here should be... it should be 1 collider each. Yeah, per laser beam. So the colliders should look like... Can I just like, yeah, they should be like this. Okay, so yeah, I can move in them. Progress, let's go. And I like want to have some like point at the end here where it's like slightly darker, the laser. So but yeah, can be some that's some polish thing. We don't do polish like in the stage where we're still having like the prototype materials. Need to make the levels and stuff first. Okay. Oh shoot, that fucking shot the fucking ball upward. Oh no. Is it supposed to be able to tip over vertically? You can lock the individual axis. That's true. I could do that. I can try and see how that feels. But then it's not going to be able to like tilt. I want to do like slightly. Oh, that's really. Maybe that's good. I wanted to slightly tilt because that's realistic, right? When you're moving something. But maybe it's actually better if I just tilt it. That's going to be the Y, right? Yeah, it fucks up the wheels as well. Oh, that was writ. Come here. No. What happened? What? 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 I mean, it feels quite good now. And you can pick it up. Okay, that's nice. Maybe that's the reason why it was hard to get off the ground, because there's some like thing in the code that makes it hard to pick up. Or maybe impossible. Yeah, I think it's impossible because the mass is only 3. Yeah, it's impossible. Yeah, boundaries. That's what we did now. Basically. So you can see now it's just tilting to the sides here a bit, but it's not flipping over. And I think that's good. So I think this is good for now. Maybe we should make it like 4. Okay, it's a bit better. Yeah, and then it's like fairly easy to move around, right? And rotate like this, and you can get the ball. Yeah, what I did was basically, or hopefully I didn't fuck it. I just set this to 4. There we go. Instead of mass 0.8, was that nice? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it looks good now. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what we did. So, with the board here, since it's wheeled. I also have some parameters for the stability here, so I could make it more stable. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Do you guys think I have? This might go horribly, but I'm going to try and use Blender and see if I can. Shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be that hard, right? We're going to try. We can think of this as like learning, because this is my like 3rd model or something that I've ever made. So don't expect this to be good. I was thinking I could make like this entire 3D game without learning Blender, but I figured out that's like kind of hard mode, to be fair. Okay. Maybe we should have like a reference. Is this a good reference? Yeah, and then I'll make it thicker. Okay. Looks good. Set the rotation. Oh no, I meant 90. There we go. Move it. Oh yeah, I also watched the donut tutorial. That's like basically all the knowledge that I have. So that's good for like learning the initials. And then yeah, I didn't go through all of it as well because the ending and stuff, it was like more specific to like modeling scenes and stuff, not like modeling like things that you have in a game. So I didn't really see that as relevant. Let's see. Okay, let's click this. Let's go. Maybe we'll just make the board first. Okay, so what we do, we take this. Oh no, we don't. It's the oh, what am I doing? I'm so used to the Unity controls. Basically this, we move it, the move tool, that's G. Okay. G, X, there we go. At a good size, maybe a bit thicker. Like this. We make it bigger. G. Yeah, why not just use this? Oh no, that was so confusing that in Blender Z is up, but in Unity is Y. G, G, Z. Oh, Z. Like this. Okay, just try to follow the board. The reference G, X. No. G, Y. There we go. This is also on an angle. Maybe we can fix that by just rotating it. Ah, it doesn't matter that much. Okay, cube. This is going to be our board. Okay, let's make the legs. Cube. Or maybe it's a bad idea to connect them. Maybe I should extrude instead. Or I could have this like thing here. Oh, this is better to just use this. Okay. G, G, X, like there. G, X, there. But now though, now they are like connected. So does that mean they're like one mesh now? And it's going to be hard for me to move it. rotate. No, extrude and then rotate. Okay. Drag this a bit down then. Extrude. Oh, maybe I should. Okay. Extrude. There. Rotate. No. Rotate. It's the wrong direction though. X20. I mean, hmm. Let's try a different way. RX90. Yeah. I should separate these in like a way. Because if I just rotate this, it's like rotating the entire thing. Even if I extrude and I do like, yeah, now it's like fucked up hair. I mean, I could always just make a, oh, that was not the goal. I could just duplicate this, right? Or can't I do that either? Control C, Control V. No. This is like level 1, guys. But I still can't do it. Extrude, bro. Wow, so annoying. What? Maybe I can just like, I want to like cut out the face from like this point. I want to have some new vertices like exactly here. It's Control D to duplicate. Okay. I'm not sure that's the best approach though. I think that was a stupid idea by me. But thank you. Control D. Control D. It doesn't work. It's probably an object mode only. No. Why doesn't it work then? Weird. Um, let's think. I remember there was this one thing you could do. You could click this and you can click this and you can click some Control F or something. Inset faces. Control F. Oh, that's Y. Okay. Thank you, AJ. Loop cut, then extrude the face. Okay. How do I do the loop cut? Okay. Let me try to remember from the tutorial. Loop cut. Fuck, I'm not going to spend that much time on it. Loop cut blender. Control R. Okay. Control. Control R. No. It's a hair. Like this. I think I got it. I think I got it. Okay, we just need the last one. No. Oh no. Oh no, it's like fucking following along here. Let's see though. Is there? Oh, I just need to. But still, it's following along. Okay. Maybe I just need to extrude the face or drag the. Yeah, just extrude. Yeah. There we go. We got it. Thank you, boys. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, AJ. I appreciate that. Hmm. I'll probably spend like 15 minutes trying to figure it out if it wasn't for you, AJ. But it wasn't that complicated. I've actually done it before at Loopcut. It's just like remembering all the things that you've done before. That's the hard part in the beginning. Okay, so next thing. Is it best here to duplicate this? Or is it going to be to do it again, but then it might be uneven? Because I don't have any control of this size. But now I kind of know how to do things. Okay, it's like loop cut. That's like Control R and then, oh, it's a bad view. Control R, you do it on this one, then you can do this, and then you can face select, and then you can do this, and then you can drag down. But now, oh, sorry, extrude. And now we can, oh, maybe not extrude again. Now we have both legs, but they're uneven. So, how do we make them even? Because this is very ugly. This is very ugly. But it's progress. 5 minutes ago, I didn't know what a loop cut is. Oh, yeah. You see. Horrible. Oh, no, maybe that's a bad idea, sorry. Ugh. Uh, maybe there's a way to see the thickness of this, and we can just like copy it. The mirror modifier. I've never used that before, but I'll try. Okay, so I'd imagine I only need like one. Yeah. Imagine it would be a bad idea to mirror like both. So, okay, let's see. But the origin isn't centered. Okay, how do I fix that? So like right click. Set origin like this, and then oh, now everything is going to take like 10 times as long, AJ. Why are you doing this? You just like give me so much advice, got me in the flow, and now you're just going. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for the help though. Okay. The mirror modifier. I'll try to figure it out. Because I'd imagine that mirrors the board as well, right? Mirror. Okay, we're going to mirror. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's awesome. No, it's not awesome. And duplicate the whole thing and rotate the copy 180 degrees. Um, not sure what you mean. I mean, because now I kind of lost my bevel, right? Didn't I? Yeah, it just like turned into the thing. Maybe the mirror modifier is too complicated for me. Maybe I need some like more stupid way to do things. Because with these modifiers, it like it requires you to do things in a good way, right? And I don't think I'm doing things in a good way. If you look at this, it's like also, is there a way to smooth like this specific edge? But yeah, I think duplication, screwball holes. I think that's the play. Okay, so we're going to try. We will try. Okay. I'll. Oh, now I subdivided this. That's not the point. Okay. Oh shoot. I need this one. Shift D. Oh. Now my camera is fucked and I need to move the camera, but I can't. Okay. I guess we'll just do this the old way. Let's guess. Okay. I mean, I don't think this is the professional way to do it, but it works, right? It works. And also, I need to move this again a bit closer. More close. Oh, I made this like too long. Okay, I don't know how to fix that. We'll just have to be. No, what did I do now? Okay, G, Y, N, damn. Nice. Now it's an, oh yeah, it's even. Okay. Now it's even. And there's not a face here. How do we fix that, guys? Well, we select the four. We do something. I don't know how. I don't know. Yeah, new face. Okay, yeah. And then we should probably delete these or something, or merge them together. Merge vertices. Should I do this at center by distance? Nope. No, 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 no. Merge by distance. Oh, okay. It actually worked. What? I feel like a genius now. Oh, you can see a bit more of Blender. I can make it like this, so you guys see the entire editor. Because that's nice, right? To be able to see everything. Then on Blender, I could put myself down here so you guys can see a bit more. Okay. And then zoom in a bit. There we go. I should use Blender more. I've created a few spaceships. Damn, spaceships and stuff from my new game. Do you have a place where I can view them on Sketchfab or something? I'd like to view them because I imagine like spaceship 3D models are like really advanced, like no matter how you make them, because there's a lot of shapes. This one is kind of doable though. Oh, this is cool. No, it's not that doable. I would never be able to make this. Oh yeah. Do you Scribble host, do you find it hard to texture them as well? Or is it just like on spaceships that you just like apply a texture and then it's like fine? Um because that's kind of like the main problem I had with the models and stuff I've downloaded. Just like finding textures that fit is so hard, I think. Just like a lot of the textures in my room, for example. It's like I just find it very hard to find something that fits. It's not open Steam for now. Okay, there's still a gap here. Why? Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, you just do it in Unity? Okay, yeah. Um, looks taking photos of stuff to use. Um, yeah, okay. I mean, spaceships, that sounds like super complicated. Sounds like the most advanced thing you could do. Like making vehicles in general, like a car or something. Maybe the Cybertruck is easy though. But like, yeah. Okay. Now we have this. The next thing is going to be the wheels, I guess. But then it's like a whiteboard. What should we do now? There's like something in particular I'm thinking about. It's like an information board for like events or something. It's like a museum, so a museum would make sense. Futuristic. It's a futuristic museum. I mean, and also it's metal. I'm not sure what this would be in real life. I mean, the closest thing is probably a whiteboard, like an event information board. Okay, yeah. Yeah, these are more. Okay, this one. This one is basically a gray wall with wheels. I mean, that's basically what I have, right? Gray wall with doesn't have wheels yet, but if I, to be fair, if I find a good one, I'll probably just use that, even though this was very, very good practice. Maybe I can also just find some inspiration. Construction site information board 1. This is interesting. It's not what I want though, but I can't find anything similar. What about a whiteboard? Oh, this is cool. Oh, I probably shouldn't show that on YouTube. Like that word. I'm not sure. The whiteboard is cool though. Damn, this one is really nice. It looks really professional. Like in real life. What? How did I make this? Is this like a scan they did of real life? Damn. But also, I'm not thinking a whiteboard, I'm thinking a information board. Say something like this. Okay. This is like a whiteboard. Um, also has a bevel in the middle. There should probably be some modifier that I can use for that. There has to be. Oh, but now they're on one mesh. Fuck. Let's see. Sandwich board. Oh, sandwich board. Oh, like this type, but with wheels. With wheels. Oh, actually, that's a good idea. Yeah. It would just be the only thing is that it's too short. It's like it's not taller than the player, so it won't block the lasers. That's the only thing. Like there's this one though, or like a movie. You know what? This is really good. Yeah, this is something I could use. It's like something you would have at like a museum. For a museum. Like I could see something like this at the museum. Yeah. What would be cool is if I also to make the modeling simpler, I could make the board itself a screen instead of like paper. I can make it just like a screen and then have a video or something. That would be really cool. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's see if it works. Okay. Um, Thank you, Scribble House. We'll make a sandwich board. Yeah, which is a bit taller than this, but it'll still be a sandwich board. Should I make the wheels though, or should the wheels be in Unity? I mean, they should at least be separate objects in Blender. In that case, it'll probably be fine. Okay. Where was the movie thing? This is 36 inches. 36-inch, 2 centimeters. Oh, it's like half a person. Where was the movie one? 180 centimeters. No, I always like I always fucking like expose my file explorer for some reason. Like I always forget. I don't have anything bad there though, I think. Oh shoot. I just leaked my. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's fine. But like usually leaking your file explorer is like a bad thing. I made this short. I've begun making shorts. I think it's really fun to make shorts. I made this one. And this one, it was like 1,000 views or 2,000 views or something. Just the vibe. Just the vibe. This one.
You
True
cried.
experience.
There were tears that ran down my face, but I did not cry.
I mean, that's crying.
I would disagree.
Okay, let's just use this. Yeah, already downloaded it. Okay. I actually think I'm just going to save this bad boy. This is good practice, good warm up. But I'm going to make a new one. And I'm going to implement the board right here. Can you guys see the screen? Yep. I got a new chair recently. That actually has really helped me with my focus. Like the chair is so important to feel good. Because the old one I had, it was like, I can show you. It's like I was always like this, like leaning back. Can you guys see? I was always leaning back like this. And then it was just stuck here. It's like it was locked in like this position. And then when I was like looking forward, for example, my neck would like this. And I was fucking up my posture. If I were to like relax my neck, I'd have to do this. Like, bro, what? Who makes chairs like that? And who buys chairs like that? I did. I mean, it was a really cheap chair though. Oh shit. But this one, much better. It's from IKEA. It's the most expensive they have at IKEA though, but I actually found it's pretty good for the price, actually. Let's see. Back in Blender. Yeah. That's what I did. It's like you can also buy this chair without the neck support, and then yeah, Lena, it's from IKEA. If I tried this without the neck support, and that's like a completely different experience, because then I would still be like not reminded to like put my head back, but when I have this headrest, which is actually like in a really comfortable position, there's like pillow hair and stuff, I'm always reminded to keep my head back when I'm working, and not always. I'm not like always perfect having my head back, but it's like much more than it used to be. I used to be like this, right? So that's nice. That helped me. Yeah, it's a good investment, Scribblehouse. If you're sitting much like me, a standing desk, that's like number one. A chair second, and then third, if you have some monitor, what are you called? Monitor stands, like free monitor stands. I don't know what they're called. Like, you know, arm, monitor arm. Yeah, like this. Yeah, one of those, because then you can adjust the monitor like how your eyes are and where you sit and stuff. You you heard a phone ringing in your house, but you only have one phone. Damn, I actually had one experience like that as well, like a few weeks ago. But me and my mom heard it. Like there was some fucking phone, and then we checked all the devices, but it's weird. Maybe it's like someone outside the window or something. I don't know. Good thing it's not like 1 a.m. though. It's like 9 a.m. and there's sun, so it's not that scary. Okay, where do we start on this? Probably the front wall and then tilt it. Yep, let's do that. Make it a bit smaller. Make it a bit GX in. This is really thin. It's going to be a screen. It should be a bit thicker. That makes sense. That's like realistic. Make it a bit taller. But now, okay, now there are two different faces. That can work, but then I'll make sure to, maybe I can merge them. No, I mean, I'll just make sure to rotate like the entire thing. Okay. X, R, X, no, R, Y. Okay. Y. And then I see that this looks like a domino, so it should be a bit out like this. There? Or is that too thick? That's too thick. It's not like always. What? Now it looks. What did I do? Maybe it's just me, but I feel like this side is like more to the left than this. I think that's actually just me. I think I'm just like stupid. Is there like a measuring tool? I think it's fine. Maybe it's the image here or something. Bro, I should actually use the snapping more. When I'm developing this, I'll try using the snapping more so it's more aligned. It's like in Unity as well. When I was making levels before, I didn't use the snapping for some reason, and it was like a complete mess because then you're just out there, you're in Unity, just like you're going to make the roof, right? And then you have snapping off, and then you're just like, oh, sitting there like, oh, is that good? Just like horrible. But now I have the snapping. I'm good at the line and stuff. It's very, very nice. Snapping in Unity though, it's not really intuitive. I had to spend like a lot of time learning how that worked. Because there were just some times where I had the snapping on and it would snap to like weird places. But you kind of remember in like muscle memory kind of thing how the snapping works, and that it's more intuitive. But yeah. Okay. This, and then I think this one goes more just make it longer, I think. Yeah, I don't like that this is a separate edge, and I want to remove it. Mark Grace, Mark Seam, Claire Seam, no. Claire Sharp, no. Delete edge, no. Because I want this to be like one even thing. I delete, no. That wasn't a good idea. What if I delete the top? What? Oh. Yeah. Like this. Have it like at this angle. Doesn't say the angle here though. It says 1 meter, like distance. Okay. Maybe this is too much. No, I think it's fine. And then we make the oh, where was the button to make the edge? I just did it, but now I forgot. New edge, okay. Yeah, just read. Read the menu, guys. Okay. Now we're going to do what you told me, Scribblehouse. Control Shift. I'll try to make it perfect. So I'm going to do this. There we go. I'm going to maybe a bit more. Okay, let's rotate first. 180 minus 190. G, X, there. And the rotation is fucked up. R, Y, no, R, Z. What? What did I do? Come on. What? I don't do a lot of snapping in Unity, but I'm very vigilant about typing in values. Yeah. Whether it's like rotating or resizing. Angle will show in rotation if we set it to global. Just change the values slowly. Probably easier. But I was looking at the rotation like someplace. Where is it? Yeah, I'm looking at the rotation here, but it's because this is the whole thing here. Okay. But I needed to only be this thing. But how under transform? Yeah, it's right here. But then I needed to be this specific object only. If I separate this. Oh, now they're both fucked up. This one. 0. No rotation for you. Oh no. Are you serious? I was thinking. What? Why is both rotating in this? But this is that one. This is this one. But if I move one of them. This is really unintuitive as well. Maybe it's because I was in edit mode. Maybe that did something. Okay. But why are they differently rotated when both are at 0? Because this is more straight when it's like 8 or something. Like 9. No. 8. You got one of them as a parent object of the other. Have I though? Is it because they're in the same collection? Because when I click on both, they're highlighting. What if I just delete this and try again? Turn it on and off. Classical. Oh, I also see the pivot point is like right here. Maybe that's a problem. Yeah. Maybe it's better now. Control Shift. Control Shift. Move on the X. Around here. Rotate. On the X. No. Why? Is that it? Is this it? Oh. Okay. More up. Like this. Yeah. Looks good. Now, how do I connect this? Let's look at the image. Okay, they just connect like this. Interesting. What if I do this? Oh, I can't select both. Because now they're separate objects. Oh, holy. I guess I have to, now I can make it like a parent. Control Shift. This is confusing. I'll drink some water. Maybe that helps. It didn't help. Because the problem now is that I can't connect them because they're two objects. And in edit mode, as far as I know, you can only select one at a time. Yeah, there's a lot of things to do in Blender. Holy, image editor, UV editor. Video sequencer, movie clip editor. What's this? Movie clip editor. Is this like a movie editor? Okay. Let's not get distracted. um let's think. I could just make this bigger and like be inside of this. Maybe that's like a good, it works approach. Like it's good enough, I guess. Like this. No. I mean, sure. Yeah, I think that's a good enough approach we'll stick to. Okay. Now it's the there's like some support here. In the future, I don't think they would need the support here, but we'll make it to make it more realistic. So what we do, we make a cube, we make it a bit smaller, we make it a bit longer. No, not you. Make it a bit longer. Make it a bit like this. We extrude this or make it longer. Now we move it. And the X, GX, there. there. Oh, this isn't the hardest thing I've done. This was actually quite easy. It was quite nice. Shift D, Y, and then we'll make the new face. Yo. Yeah, Scribble House. Have a good day, bro, or evening, whatever time zone you're in. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you, bro. And thanks for the help. Oh, fuck. I forgot said fighting was a thing. Is this that bad though? Can I just like move it down a bit? Won't even let me select it though. Why? Now some wheels. I'm going to start with the key. No, I can just duplicate this, can't I? Oh, that's confusing. Okay. The reason why we start with a cube here is because we're going to use these. We're going to have these two things. Like the legs. The legs. Let's make them a bit small so that they don't look awful. Because in real life, you don't even notice them, right? Because they're so small. Okay. Yeah, my camera just needs to charge. X there. Now this is a bit cursed because in real life you don't usually have these, right? But in my model you have to have it because you need to fucking move it. Are we back? There we go. Okay, camera back on. Let's see. No, not the circle. We need 4. This needs to be separate objects so that in Unity I can actually assign them as the wheels as like separate objects. So if they were just a part of this mesh, I wouldn't be able to separate them, or probably, but it would be really hard. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a UV sphere here. I'm also going to make it smooth. We're going to make it a bit smaller, like this, place it correctly, like this. Oh, it's the thing with 3D, guys. It's like it looks fine in one direction, and then in another it just looks horrible, and it's objectively wrong. Looks good. Okay. Control D, Y, Control. Oh, Shift is Shifty. Okay. X. Move up. Move side. Okay, these aren't as even as the other ones, but that's probably probably fine. Okay, like this. This, this. Looks good. Yeah. This. No, this. Okay. Yep. Looks good. Now, my concern is that these aren't leveled. So this is going to be taller than this. But that may be not a problem because of physics. So it's going to even out. And also this is like a slope kind of thing. Yeah. We can see how this looks. Before I just need to take a little break, so just take a small break, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah. Yo, we are back without any lighting, so it looks very dark. But really, it's just the ISO that's low, so it's not that dark in my room actually. But when you, guys, I did not listen to this. It was for research. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Just going to put on some lo-fi. There we go. Yo, 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 how are we, boys? So, what we are doing, can you guys even hear the audio? On the music? No, you can't basically. It's too quiet. Oh, did I just expose that I used the deep voice filter? This is my normal voice. This is my deep voice. I'm not sure if there's a difference. I just think it sounds better and more like bassy. It's kind of why I use it. How you guys can't hear it's too quiet. Maybe I'll just put like a gain on music. Just call it today. Let's put like 5. So weird. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, you can. Sorry, guys. There we go. Okay, now everything should be working perfectly, and we are ready to continue the stream. I got my coffee right here. And we just finished this thing. So that's what we're going to try. We're going to try and export this. First of all, save it. Sandwich board. What I was thinking while I was taking a break is that oh yeah, of course we need to wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4. What I was thinking, first of all, delete this, delete the camera, front plate. Okay, that's good. That these are the rim, back plates, support. leg support, back plate, and horizontal support. Okay, that's good, because what I was thinking is that if we're going to make this a screen, which we were thinking, the front plate here needs to be a separate object, so let's get that with it. Maybe we should also texture this very quickly before we start. So I have this plugin, as when I press N, polygon, then there should be this thing, let's say plastic or something. Oh, there's no plastic, that's too bad. Oak wood, okay, let's try this one. Import. Then I need to select this, apply. The wheels, what should the wheels be? Yo, thank you, AJ. Yeah, we decided on making a sandwich board instead. And yeah, after the first one I got kind of warm, so this was went quite smoothly. So yeah. Maybe the wheels here can just be black, so that they look like wheels, even though it's actually a metal. Yeah, select all four. Apply. Yeah, so they look like rubber wheels, but it's actually metal. And then maybe we can also just remove or make it less metallic. The material, metallic. Even though I don't think it matters that much, because this is or where is it? Is it in shading? Yeah, there we go. Even though I don't think it matters that much because they're so small, they're barely visible, right? Also, might as well just make this. Have the tree material as well, because I was thinking that no, this could be black. Just make this the black to indicate that this is like the screen. So I was thinking of making this a screen. Quick question: where are you most comfortable in development? What do you mean? Like which part of game development I'm most comfortable with? Let's see. Also, these wheels they look like unaligned, but then I zoom in and they look, no, this is absolutely unaligned. Okay, it's like we can just disconnect the metallic. Yeah, like this. Now let's export FBX. There we go. I'm just going to copy the folder, models, open a file explorer. There we go. Now it should be inside the models folder, sandwich board. Okay, there is no texture on this one though, that's weird. Let's try the... There is already one, but why isn't it showing up? Let's also align the window so you guys can see. Or... this. Oh, no. There we go. That's what I was thinking. The materials are here though. I actually think I know the problem. I actually think this is a problem with an editor script that I had. Where when you import materials, it's automatically, or when you import textures, it's automatically going to make a material. So it might have fucked this up. Because it got the textures there perfectly fine, but it's like... But also, I don't see why there's no... The GLB didn't import correctly. Board. Like why? Maybe it's in a different folder. Oh yeah, it's in 3D models. There we go. Yeah, because this one works, right? Okay. I actually prefer this. People say that you should use FBX, but I prefer this other, the GLB one. To be fair. I think I should probably just wheel, draggable, then wheel, there we go. It's automatically going to add the wheels, I suppose. No, it's not, okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No. The mesh collider. Yo, to answer your question, AJ, I think actually my strength is not like as an indie developer. I don't think it's like programming, it's like art or something. I actually think it's just like project management, and the fact that I'm good at managing my projects and being staying productive, because that's kind of like what my channel is all about, right? It's not like I'm framing myself as this like expert programmer kind of guy, right? I'm just focused on actually finishing my games, and I'm not super strong in any particular way, but I can finish my games. I can finish my games, and I don't waste time like scrapping projects or things like that. Yeah, I commit to ideas and then I finish them. I think that's my strength as a developer. Yeah. Thank you for asking. Good question. Okay, so the sandwich board here is just the collection, right? This is just a collection. We need mesh colliders on all of these. But then is that going to... This is very light. Oh, holy shit, I'm going to kill myself. There is actually a feature. Oh, holy shit, this is light. There is actually a feature in the game where if you are hit with like too much velocity and too much force, yeah, basically how many newtons you are exposed to, if it's like too much, you're actually going to die. It's like a failure reason I have in the game. I think that's cool. I can try now actually to kill my... Maybe I shouldn't say that word. You know what? I don't care. I'm going to try to kill myself. I don't care. I don't care about what YouTube says. I'm going to kill myself. In the game. Yes, YouTube. I'm actually in a game. Okay, let's see. Yup, let's make 140. Oh shoot, it's on the roof. I forgot there's a roof there. Oh. Oh, it doesn't work. I mean, let's open up Trello and write that as a bug then. Okay. Newton force doesn't kill player. Yep. Let's start a poll. Is it morning or evening for you? Or what's it? It's like noon? That's after 12, right? What's the name of before and after midday? Is it just like after midday and pre-midday? Oh, let's try something. First of all, let's make this weigh a bit more because the 1 kg was too confusing. Still though, the center of mass is, or the very unstable. Yep, very unstable. Okay, what if I lower the center of mass? I can actually delete this. Wheel draggable, center of mass. Let's bring it a bit down, minus 0.8, minus, or 0.5. Let's say align, okay, align volley to motion, that's important. Upright stability, maybe we'll have to increase that. Let's see. Are the wheels rotating now? Oh, the fucking uneven thing is fucking it up, I think, because now the wheels are below the ground. Maybe it's just because they don't have a collider, and that's kind of stupid. Nice. Rear collider, yeah. Oh, better. Oh. There we go. The wheels aren't rotating though, that kind of throws me off a bit. They are rotating, but it doesn't look like it. Okay, interesting. Let's watch them very closely. Also, if I rotate this, am I even going to see it? Oh, that might be the problem, because they're perfectly round. So I'm just not seeing it. Okay. It's a good problem to have, because now we know the solution. Okay, just make them slightly like this. Yes. There we go. And yeah, fix the center of mass, obviously. There we go. Now we can actually see it. That's nice. And we can rotate it nicely. We might need to make the board a bit bigger before they can, because I don't have crouching in the game as well. Yeah. I might also change the model slightly in the future, but I think this is good for now. There we go. Let's see how it looks besides the player. Because the thing, is that going to work? Let's see. I need to assign the script. Block laser. There we go. Can I just kill myself? The thing that we want to do, we want this board to be able to block the laser. So that I can walk under, yeah. It's like, I think I'm cutting my hair up though. But, I mean, or is it working? No, it's it's actually false. It's actually tricking me. So where though? Oh, it's like just not. Now let's try playing a screen on the sandwich board. This is going to be exciting. I've never done this before. Okay, video player. The video clip. What clip should we have? Maybe I can just have like a YouTube short I made. That would be fun. In the temp folder, because I probably won't use this temp or permanently. Never used a video player before, so we're learning here, guys. We're learning. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, okay, it works quite well. The problem though is that I don't know how to rotate this. Also, why did it stop looping? I never asked you to stop looping. I said loop. It says loop here, bro. How do we rotate? Maybe it's just like the way the square is. I mean, yeah, probably. And also the material is fucking it up. I mean, I can just remove that very easily though. Just go here, click on the front plate, then just like, oh, holy fuck, that's bright, black. There we go, completely smooth. Know that. Completely smooth. Oh, it is. Okay, there we go. I don't like the way. Oh, okay. So if I make this red, oh, okay. So it's okay. So this has to be white. Makes sense. Makes sense. Now, how do we like rotate this correctly? Render mode, render texture, and now it's like changing some things. Okay. Let's see how these different. Oh, now it's like rendering on top of my camera. Okay. Good to know. I'll just lock this. Okay. I mean, we're learning, guys. I've never used this before, so. Oh. That's cool. What we're trying to do here, guys, is that we are trying to make like a video play on this. I'm just using this as an example. Let's see, maybe we can use our purchase Google video player. Video player. Now, let's learn, guys. The video player. Video play content onto a target. Okay, content can either be a video clip, imported asset. Oh, yeah, this is no comma. A video clip, imported asset, or a URL such as a file or HTTP. Okay, makes sense. Okay, the video content will be projected onto the supported target, such as camera background or render texture. Okay, we're trying to do the render texture. If the video content includes transparency, this transparency will be present in a target, allowing objects behind the video target to be visible. So if we're going to make like a hologram thing, I don't think we're going to need that because we need our thing to be like metal. Oh, holy fuck, I forgot. Because now I remember, right? The thing with this is that it's going to block the laser, but I made this like wood instead of metal. Okay, we'll fix that. Just as camera background or render texture. Okay, yeah. When a data video player source is set to URL, the audio and video description for what is being played will only be instantiated once the video player preparation is completed. You can test this with videoplayer.isPrepared. Okay. Refer to video file compatibility for more information on supported video file formats. Should support most things, right? Yeah. Let's see. I was thinking maybe we could activate, like, we can change the resolution in the API or with code or something, because I don't see there was many things to change here on the in the actual component. Let's see. Will attach video player to the main camera? Makes sense. Video player automatically targets the camera back. Okay. Component, play on awake, render mode. This is what we experimented with. Yeah, this as well. Video player URL, video player frame. Video player is looping. Loop or reach. Each time we reach the end, we slow the playback by a factor of 10. Okay. Okay. That was weird, a weird function, but okay. Yes, okay, so we can change the aspect ratio in code. But is this only... Because when I take the material override, it renders the thing on both sides. Maybe if I just change material to... I mean, if it's not both, I don't see why it's rendering on both sides. Because this is just set to front and now it's rendering on both sides. But maybe it's because, no, I don't know. Because if I do something like this. No, this is horrible. Sorry. If we do something like this, we make like this thing, we make this thing, and then we add the video player, then we add the clip, right? How is this going to look? It's not playing at all. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably just ask ChatGPT about this to get the answer. But also, how long have I been streaming for? Over 2 hours. Okay, this is my longest stream yet. I think I'm going to end it, guys. End the stream. Don't worry about me. I'm just going to end the stream. So yeah, thank you for everyone that watched the stream, and really appreciate it. Hopefully you can come back in the future. I really enjoy doing streams, and I also really enjoy people commenting and helping me also. That's really nice. So thank you for tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you in the future. Thank you.